So here we in the Billy Graham Library. I couldn't show you guys inside because of copyright. This inside the library here now. Very beautiful, man. We're outside here. This is the library. So this is the entrance to the Billy Graham Library, which is very, very beautiful. And we had a very nice day in the library. It's very peaceful, and the music, man. Well, see, I couldn't really record inside if you guys could get a view of it because of copyright reasons. But we're gonna walk around on the lawn and you guys are gonna see. I was gonna get it. I should have, right? Yeah, I should have got it.